In daily life, do places that look clean to the eye really have to be clean? In our lives, we can clean up dust and stains. But what about the bacteria and viruses that are hidden deeper, especially in crowded places like shopping malls and hotels? With this question in mind, let me recommend our multifunctional steam vacuum cleaner. First, let's check out how to use the multifunctional steam vacuum cleaner. Pay attention. If you've already received our cleaner, be sure to watch this video or read the manual before use. Step 1. Let's take off the head of machine. Open the clips on both sides of the main machine head. Then, lift up the machine head. When you lift up the machine head, watch out for the suction tube below. Use the handle to take out the dry foam water tank. After that, add defoamer to the sewage tank. Pay attention. Add defoamer to prevent excessive foam from being sucked into the vacuum motor during use, which could damage it. Then, put the dry foam water tank back. Make sure to place it in the right position. Use the funnel that comes with the machine to add water and dry foam liquid to the 3 liters dry foam water tank. The mixing ratio is 20:1. For example, add 150 milliliters of dry foam liquid to 3 liters of clean water. You can add clean water and the dry foam liquid separately, or mix them evenly and then add. Pay attention. Don't fill liquid beyond the dry foam tank's filling port. Also, keep the tank surface dry. Prevent extra liquid from being sucked into the vacuum motor, which could damage it. Afterward, put the machine head back. Remember to put its liquid suction tube into the dry foam tank. While doing so, close the clips on both sides of the main machine head. Open the limiters on both sides of the heating box. You can try using the handle of the heating box. It makes moving the heating box easier. The heating box also comes with a signal boosting antenna. It makes the remote control more responsive when you use it. After moving the heating box aside, we can see the filling opening of the clean water tank. After unscrewing the lid, we start to pour in clean water. Pay attention. The clean water tank has a volume of 16 liters. The minimum amount of water you should add is 5 liters. Using the machine without enough clean water can make the heating box dry, burn, and get damaged once powered on. Screw the clean water tank lid back on. Put the heating box back in place and make sure to lock the limiters on both sides of it. Connect the liquid outlet tube of the clean water tank to the heating box. After that, connect the power cord of the machine head to the heating box. Both sockets have a positioning device. Make sure they're aligned properly before connecting. Attach the dry foam brush to the machine head.